Just a reminder, if you ever need help with these problems and I haven't made a video about it, these things here tell you what examples in your book to look at. So these problems referenced example 1 that we talked about yesterday. And in our next problem, we'll be referencing example 2. So again, if you get stuck, check your book first. All right, so here it tells us, draw the table and graph on a separate sheet of paper. A company can manufacture 825 small cars per day. Now remember, with our word problems, it tells us in a specific order what our 2 units are. The word per helps us out. The words that come before it are our y, and the word that comes after it is our x. So when I go to fill out my table, I know that days are my x and small cars is my y. We want to make sure that we keep that in mind as we fill out the table. So it looks like they want us to use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 days. So we're just going to have to do a little bit of math to get that. So 1 day shouldn't be too tough because, well, it's right there in the problem, 825. To get how many we would have after 2 days, we're going to do 825 times 2, and that gives us a whopping 1,650. To find out how many after 3 days, we're going to do 825 times 3. We get 2,475. 4 days. Hopefully you're noticing what we're doing at this point. We multiply by 4. We're going to get 3,300. And finally, for 5 days, we end up with 4,125. Those are some big numbers. They're going to be super fun for us to graph, but that's okay. We're up to the challenge. Let me just, nope. See if I can copy my table, which it's not going to let me do. I'll come back to you guys in just a second, and we'll have these problems all sorted out.